Let's go look at question 25 now. So suppose that Rick dies and the house remains empty. So if Maria decides independently how many flowers to plant, she will plant the socially optimal number of flowers. So what matters now is that we only have the marginal benefits of Maria and Lisa. So we only have the marginal benefits of Maria and Lisa. And when it comes to the cost, we only have the marginal cost of the flower because Rick is not there anymore. So we have one marginal cost. Now let's see how the math works out here. We will have the marginal benefit of Maria, which is 5 minus 1 over 8f. So 5 minus 1 over 8f, plus the marginal benefit of Lisa, which is 2 minus 1 over 8f, equals to the marginal cost, which is equal to 1. So that is 1. Now, if we solve this, what do we get? 5 plus 2 is 7 minus 1 over 8 minus 1 over 8. That's minus 2 over 8, which is minus 1 over 4f equals to 1. Now let's take 1 to the other side. Let's take 1 to the other side. And we take this one to the right. So we're switching places because we want to solve for the number of flowers. What do we get? We will have that 6 equals to 1 over 4f, such that the optimal number of flowers now, is equal to 24. Now, that would be the optimal number of flowers in this case. Let's see if Maria decides independently how much to plant. So Maria decides independently, we will keep in mind only her marginal benefit and the marginal cost. In other words, what we're going to solve over here is this. 5 minus 1 over 8f, the marginal benefit of Maria, will be equal to the marginal cost. Let's see how much she would plant. Again, let's do the same thing. Take the numbers on one side and the variables on the other side. So this goes over there. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. And here we have 1 over 8f. Now, if we work this math over here, what do we get? The optimal number of flowers in that case would be equal to 32. So what we can see is that if Maria decides independently, she would plant 32 flowers, where she compensates for the social optimal in that case. So indeed, by deciding independently, she chooses also the social optimal. She also maximizes the number of flowers for the society. So the answer is true, and we are done.